In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer projects in Adobe Premiere Pro using 4 different methods. Hi, this is Alex from MASV, the fastest and safest way to transfer all of your large media files online. When you sign up with MASV today, we'll give you 100 GB free to use however you want. Send all of your massive files anywhere they need to be in the world with just one click. I'll leave you the link in the description box below so you can try it out. Okay, so you need to transfer your Premiere edits to other team members or clients. Or maybe you just need to transfer it to another computer so you can keep working. There are many different ways to accomplish this. We're going to review how to do it through the Adobe Creative Cloud, via email, shared network drive, and also with MASV. You choose the one that best suits you. Via Creative Cloud. If you have Premiere, you also have access to 100 GB storage in the Creative Cloud. Let's open up the Creative Cloud app by clicking on this icon. I'm going to go to the Files tab. Here, you can upload your Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign files. To upload Premiere files, though, we will need to go to our Sync folder. In the bottom left of the window, click Open Sync folder. This folder is local in your computer and connects to your cloud storage. You can drag and drop the whole project folder if the storage allows. It will sync up and you will be able to access it in any computer you sign in and share it by either direct invite or a link. You can also have automatic backup saved in the cloud, so you can alternate working in different computers with your latest cut. Go to Premiere Pro, Settings, Autosave, and make sure it is checked Save Backup Project to Creative Cloud. Via email. You can easily attach the Premiere project file to your email and send it over. It's usually small enough to transfer it like this. Of course, this works best when the recipient already has a copy of the files to relink them. If they don't, you better first collect the project and all the files used in the sequence so you can send just the necessary. To do this, go to File, Project Manager. In this new window, at the top, it is going to be checked the sequence we want to share. Below, let's leave it in Collect Files and copy to a new location. This will do exactly what it says. We will have a copy of all of the used files in a folder with our project. On the right side in Options, make sure you have selected Exclude Unused Clips, so you don't have extra files occupying space. Then down here, select the destination of your folder. I'm going to leave it in the desktop for now. And on this part, if you want, you can calculate how heavy the final folder is going to be. Perfect. Press OK. Then Premiere will kindly require me to save my project. Press Yes. There you go. Now I have here in this folder the project file with all the necessary files to open it. Depending on the size of your final folder, you might be able to just compress it and send it directly. But most likely, you will need another large file transferring solution like Google Drive, WeTransfer, or MASV to send this heavy folder of collected files. I'll leave you here a link to another video we did on how to transfer large video files. It talks more about different options with its pros and cons. Shared network drive. This option is mainly used for office settings. A shared network drive is accessible to multiple computers in one location. It has a lot of storage, so you can share any kind of file with your colleagues at the office. Just drag and drop the project or the collected files folder we did with the project manager to the shared network drive folder and let your teammates know when it's uploaded so they can grab a copy. MASV. It's super easy to use MASV to send your entire Premiere project with files, and you can do it directly through Premiere. We will need first to download the MASV panel plugin. You can find it at exchange.adobe.com. I'll leave you the link in the description box below so you can easily get it. After you have it downloaded, open Premiere. Then go to Window, Extensions, MASV Panel. Log into your account and this new window will appear. You can select Add Item or Add Project. Add Item is to just send a single item from your bin or a rendered sequence. If you select a sequence, you will have the option to render and send. With Add Project, this option sends an entire Premiere project file. It does what we did with the project manager, but automatically. It packages up all the files and metadata into a single folder for easy media linking. After this, you just need to enter the email addresses of your recipients, a package name, a password if you want to protect the content, and a message if you want to add extra info. Select the Upload and Send button, and that's it. And those are the 4 ways to share your Premiere project files. Once again, I recommend you to use the one that works best with your needs and workflow. I do have to say though that the MASV panel stands out from the rest as it is a major time saver. By using it, you speed up delivery, which gives you more time to focus on your next task or take a much-deserved break. Just sign up for MASV today and you'll get full access to the MASV panel for Adobe Premiere Pro for free, including those 100 GB to use however you want. Link is waiting for you in the description box below. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, please help us with that thumbs up and subscribing to the channel and toggling the little bell icon so you don't miss out on the next filmmaking tutorials we're bringing to you. If you have any other question about this topic or any other filmmaking topic, please let us know as well in the comments below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'll leave you for now, but I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!